Episode 1 of this bike build right here. I don't know what to name it, so if you're watching this, drop a name down below in the comments, because yeah. See you guys in a minute. I actually picked this bike up from the dump, and there's still a lock on it. And I don't know what to do about that, but the frame, god damn, the frame looked nice, like nice enough for me to pick it up. So I am going to fix this bad baby up. That was corny. And make it look nice.
I'ma always do it better. Never let them tell you never. I've been so locked in, I'm on the grind. I could do this forever. I'ma speak the truth, I ain't gonna never lie to you. The ones that say you can't, they ain't never tried to.
So first things first, with this bike, I think I'm gonna remove the seat, and then like the handlebars and the stem and stuff, and the forks, and then I'm gonna remove like everything else. So this bike is probably gonna be a series 2, and I'll see you in a second. Alright, so gotta remove that bolt right there, and then the bolt behind it, or on the other side. What? Oh, okay. Oh wait, I'm tightening it, bro. I go on the other side. There we go. Last person WD-40 or what? Well, I gotta get a parts box. Be right back. Parts bucket. So, see. Okay, so now we're taking this off. Oh, that's disgusting. Ooh, what is that white? Oh. Ooh, this hurts my hand. How can I get this thing off? I think I gotta hit it with something. I forgot my hammer somewhere. Ow, fuck, that hurt. It's still... Wait. There we go, part 2. Damn, I missed. And now, so we got the seat off. Now work on the headset. I'll be right back. Okay, so what I'm doing now, taking this off. I hate this. It's gonna be harder. Maybe. Oh, no. Holy, that was easy. This bike is just... I love this bike. Parts. Oh. Do I have an Allen wrench that's that tiny? I think so. I hope so. Ooh, it's next size up. This one. I know it's this one. Yep. Oh, this one's hard. Where is it down? Oh, it's down. Okay. This bike is like so loose. I don't know. They could have just like kept the frame. I don't know why they just threw the entire thing. They dumb. There we go. Parts. This should come off. Oh, there's another. So stupid. I'm so stupid. Ooh, my gosh, this one's tighter. Okay. Parts. Oh, that's coming off easily. Okay. Now, these brakes. I didn't record it, but I got the forks almost completely off. So, yeah. Those will definitely be off in the next clip, but I am not going to record it. So.
Forever. I'ma speak the truth, I ain't gonna never lie to you. The ones that say you can't, they ain't never tried to. It ain't nothing new. I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe, I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe, you don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You can be whatever. The fame, I want it racks, always want to cheddar. You can try and steal my swag, but I'ma always do it better. Never let me tell you never. I've been so locked in, I'm on the grind. I can do this forever. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame, I wanted racks. Always wanted cheddar. You could try and steal my swag, but I'ma always do it better. Never let them tell you never. I've been so locked in, I'm on the grind. I could do this forever. I'ma speak the truth, I ain't gonna never lie to you. The ones that say you can't, they ain't never tried to. It ain't nothing new.
Hey guys, it's getting pretty dark out, and I've almost completely stripped this bike. So I think I'm just gonna do an episode 2 of this tomorrow and edit this video and another video today. And I'm gonna post the other video today, and then I'm gonna post this one tomorrow, and then next, yeah, you get. But yeah, this is the end of episode 1 of this bike. Once again, drop the names. Drop what I should name it down in the comments, because I don't know what to name it. Yeah. See you guys later. Bye. Okay guys, I'm back, and I just woke up like an hour ago, so don't mind the hair. I'm going to be working on this bike right here. This one. I'm going to be working on day 2. This bike. I don't know when the next episode of this bike is going to come out because this one is like, I think I have to angle grind this off. And yeah, this one took me less than an hour yesterday to get the forks off, like everything off, as you will see at the start of the video. But yeah, day 2, and like I said at the start of the video, drop a name of what I should name this bike, because I'm a horrible namer. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so today I am going to be trying to remove these brakes, because I can't get them off. Okay, so first I got to get that off somehow. Parts. That is just destroyed with rust. I don't know how I could get this off, so I'm probably just gonna try to rip it off. But first, we gotta get these off. So let's start with the front. If I need to, I'm just gonna cut it, because I'm not gonna use any of this. I'm ordering new parts once I get one of the bikes ready. Okay. If it's really rusty, you could just use regular scissors. But as you can see, regular scissors worked. Parts. That was loud. It ain't nothing new. I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I can't really do anything with this. Oh, hold on. There we go. So far today is going really good. Successful day. Wow, that's going on. I could just, there we go. I love this bike. It's so easy. Parts. Okay, so I'm editing this video right now. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you. Goodbye. I gotta get these off, which needs Allen wrenches. I'm gonna spray that with WD-40 first. This side too. Get that. That one already has gone. Yeah, that's all I need to spray. That looks like this size. Oh, nope, too big. Right here. It ain't nothing new. I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do it. Oh, don't tell me I'm just stripping it again.
Never wanted fame, I wanted racks. Always wanted cheddar. You could try and steal my swag, but I'ma always do it better. Never let them tell you never. I've been so locked in, I'm on the grind. I could do this forever. I'ma speak
there
the
we
truth,
go.
I ain't gonna never lie to you. The ones that say you can't, they ain't never tried to. It ain't nothing new. I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't never like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living
Am I twisting it the wrong way?
whatever. Never wanted fame, I wanted racks. Always wanted cheddar. You could try and steal my swag, but I'ma always do it better. Never let them tell you never. I've been so locked in, I'm on the grind. I could do this forever. I'ma speak the truth, I ain't gonna never lie to you. The ones that say you can't, they ain't never
I
tried
think I just stripped it. Oh my god, bro.
nothing new. I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my
I'll be right back.
You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't
Okay, so I'm back.
be whatever. Never wanted fame,
I didn't get very much done,
wanted cheddar. You could try and steal my swag,
but
I'ma always do it better. Never let them tell you never.
yeah, I
Do this forever. I'ma speak the truth.
didn't get anything done actually. I removed some bolts from this right here, so now it's loose, and there's just that one bolt right there. It's right there. I'm probably gonna remove in a second, and yeah.
You could be whatever. Never wanted fame, I wanted racks. Always wanted cheddar. Try and steal my swag, but I'ma always do it better. Never let them tell you never. I've been so locked in, I'm on the grind. I could do this forever. I'ma speak the truth, I ain't gonna never lie to you. The ones that say you can't, they ain't never tried to.
Also, by tomorrow, I should have a cameraman, my brother. Also, he's also my editor. He should be recording me, and yeah, he also edits my videos, like I said. I just took off the protector thingies from right there, and now I'm going to need to take those bolts off with this. This, and I'm gonna find the one that fits it. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to bingo, and I'm gonna stop working on the bike for a minute. This is my editor and cameraman. So yeah, I'll be back in like maybe 2.5 hours. Goodbye. It is now day 3. I'm not gonna get very much work done because I just got to my house. There's like maybe 6. It is also my sister's birthday, so yeah. I am going to attempt to get these but I'm gonna attempt to get it off. Oh, these gears. I'm gonna try to get these gears off. Probably gonna do it off camera, so on day 4 it might be off, but yeah. Never let them tell you never. I've been so locked in, I'm on the grind. I could do this forever. Never lie to you. The ones that say you can't, they ain't never tried to. It ain't nothing new. I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 22. Truth, I ain't gon' never lie to you. The ones that say you can't, they ain't never tried to.